So welcome to New Smyrna Beach as we are getting to know our new home in Florida. One of the things we always want to do is go to the beach, and we really haven't yet because of COVID.
Hey guys, so we're at the New Smyrna Dog Beach now. We just got here. It's about 10 a.m. Just so you know, you need to get here early. There is a small parking area and lots of dogs, lots of people. So far we haven't gotten to the beach yet, but this is the path that you walk on when you can't walk onto the boardwalk. And that's the beast that we're bringing. Right, Bo?
There he is.
Yep.
All right, this is great because there's so many dogs we've seen so far. But you do have to get here early because it is extremely limited parking. And we got one of the last spaces.
And we're still walking to the beach. It's quite a long walk, but it's definitely beautiful. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Take your dog to the beach.
This is really nice. It's really nice. So we made it. This is our first beach that we're going to in Florida, being Floridians. And it's really, really nice. From the Disney area, it's about an hour and 15-minute drive, so it wasn't bad. But yeah, very close to, well, we're right next to Daytona Beach. This is New Smyrna, and this is the inlet where you can bring your dog. It's really nice. And you see there's more doggies. And where's Brody? All the dogs are playing in the water, and Brody is, of course, here with Mama. Yeah, he's a little couch potato. This dog is running around chasing a frisbee, and I'm really enjoying. And everybody's getting to know each other, and Brody is just sitting there.
He likes comfort.
Right, Brody?
It reminds me of the bed.
Yeah.
And the couch.
He's a couch potato. Alright, we're gonna finally get Brody in the water, see what he does. No, thank you. He's like, no, thank you.
Blanket.
Sorry, guys.
No, you're okay.
Ellen.
I'm tired today, jeez.
Oh man, yeah. We put our blanket in the wrong place. Oh no. Look how close it came. Yeah, maybe we should move someplace else or higher up. Alrighty, we're gonna try this one more time to go take Brody to the water without our base camp being washed away. Ready, Brody? There we go, Brody. This is all new to Brody. Brody's a city dog.
I didn't know about this.
He's making it retreat.
I didn't know about this.
He doesn't know about it.
Seems okay.
That's okay, boy. It is so beautiful here. So beautiful. Look how blue the sky is. See, this is Florida living. It's great. I love living here. Yep.
people dog.
Yeah, he's just barking away. He's barking away. Oh, good Brody.
Okay, Brody. Okay. Brody,
He's
come.
barking away.
Brody, come.
Go away. He's back. He's protecting us. So we are leaving New Smyrna Beach. It was fantastic. Great place to come near Daytona Beach. And if you have a dog, I mean, it's absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Highly recommend it. Right, Brody? Wherever Brody is? Wherever Brody is? There he is. He's dry now. So we are here after leaving the beach at New Smyrna Beach. We are now in, is it Daytona? We are in Daytona at And Catfishes. Looking forward to this. And you can hear Brody, he's here.
Port Orange. We're in Port Orange.
Port Orange.
Hi, how are you?
I want to show you something. Ready?
Okay.
Put the camera, face the camera right there. You see it? The water? Watch this.
Wow. Are those catfish?
It's catfish.
Wow, that's a lot of catfish. Can you do that again?
Yep. Ready?
Yeah. Wow.
That was
A quarter?
Quarter.
Oh yeah, I do. Go.
Okay, it says under 100 catfish below, right? I put a quarter in. I turn this. You don't get a lot, unfortunately. Right? And you come up to the side, and you toss it in, and then you get that feeding frenzy. Look at that. It's crazy, right?
Yeah. It's so bright out, I don't know if I'm videoing.
Yeah, I hope you are. I hope so.
Yeah.
Wanna try?
One last one, just do it all.
All of it ready? And whap. Whoa, look at that. Okay, I got another 20. I'll do another big one. Okay, I'm gonna do the big dump. Ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna do a big dump. This is how you get them all crazy by doing a big dump. Whap.
Yeah, I think I got that one right.
Yeah, these guys won't be dinner here soon.
Yes, and they're delicious.
Yes. I'll right back. Right? Or do you want me in the front?
Meat in the front.
Okay.